Hey guys, this is how to transfer Wix website to clients. So, first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and go to the admin page of Wix. And from here, just simply go to settings guys. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to roles and permissions. And after that, you will be able to see here, change owner. And from here, guys, just simply enter the email address that you want to transfer it to. So I'm going to provide an email, for example. And from here, just make sure to click on a client over here. And now just simply click on continue. And from here, you will have an option to keep my roles as co-owner of the site after the transfer. And you will have an option as well to create a copy of this site and keep it in my account. So it will be depending on you. And now click on continue. And from here guys, it will ask you again if you are sure that you want to transfer it, and just simply click on this box and click on transfer ownership. And then after that guys, an email will be sent to the person that you provided the email with, and they have to accept the transfer invite in order for this to take effect and to make the changes. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.